Hey there guys, what is up? How is it going? Just a quick video to let you know basically what, as you can see by the title, what I'm basically planning to do. I've finally gotten a 1020 webcam for my laptop. As I've said in previous videos, what I really want to do with this channel, I don't see anybody else doing it, is like basically a live talk show. That is what I've always wanted to do. If you ever see Joe Rogan or the Pac McAfee Sports channel, basically just do a live stream on YouTube and then break down segments of what you've talked about on it and put it out there. Now, this is, from what I've seen from a lot of channels that do live talk shows, they're quite successful and they do quite well. What I'm basically looking for, if somebody from the US or from the UK follows a lot of the big car YouTubers, is big into their cars and modified cars, and wants to come onto the channel and be a part of the channel and basically share the channel and can edit, I would love that. I mean, it's great, always better to have somebody to talk to on when you're doing a live talk show about what's going on instead of on my own. I think it's a great opportunity. I think it'll do very well for the channel. I'll give the person full access to the channel. But you know, if I don't find anybody, I don't. I'll do it on my own. I have no problem doing it on my own. It's just I don't think I'll be able to make it as good as somebody that knows how to edit already. But you know, it is what it is. I know I'm only a small channel, but this thing can get pretty big, I feel. You know, doing it would be quite a good opportunity. So tomorrow I'm going to do my first live talk show on my own. I mean, even if one or two people join it, even if it's only half an hour long, it'll just get the ball rolling. And I'm going to try and keep doing it maybe every day for half an hour to an hour, depending on how many people join in. And just want to talk about what's going on in the supercar community. I'm here for you guys to talk about what's going on in the supercar community, because none of my friends watch any of these YouTube videos or into cars like I am, but you guys that do watch, the likes of DD, Tavarish, TJ Hunt, Emilia Harford, all those guys, you know, I want to talk to you live, and you know, I'll give it a go tomorrow. So tomorrow I am planning to do a live stream at around 7 p.m. my time here in Ireland. I think that's like 2 p.m. On East Coast, and then that would be 12 or 11 a.m. on the West Coast. So yeah guys, look, hit me up on my Instagram. It'll come up here if you're interested in joining the channel, becoming an editor. You won't even have to do that much editing, but also becoming a talk show host with me. Do let me know. Also guys, if you're a subscriber or if you're somebody that's watching this and you just want to come on and chat about your favorite car YouTuber or anything to do with the supercar community, again, just hit me up. I'll bring you on the talk show and I'll just talk to you about what's going on. It'll be a lot of fun, and look, we'll see what happens. So this is just a video making today. If you watched it, thanks very much. Hope you subscribe, and I will set up a scheduled live premiere for my first talk show podcast tomorrow at 7 p.m. and we'll see how it goes. It could end up being a disaster, but look, you won't know unless you try. So we're going to give it a run tomorrow and see how it goes, and hopefully you'll join me for that podcast tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you're interested, get onto me on Instagram, let me know that you're interested, and we'll have a talk and see what we can do. Until then, be prepared for the live podcast tomorrow, and I should talk to you then. Peace out and bye.